Hi, alrighty, let's do this. Let's see what we are going to create. Okay, it's look great. Let's see how we can create it. At first, we need to insert a new slide. In the new slide, we need to create a shape. Here we find that. Hold Shift to create the shape in the same size. Hold Shift, increase the size. Hold Shift, okay. Now, align it center, align it middle. Okay, it's created. We need to copy this slide and insert a rectangle. And select both of them, go to shape format and make them fragment. Now, after doing that, we cut this slide, we don't need it anymore. We go here, we make the outline of all these shapes to none. Okay, and after doing that, we need to do some modification, some shadows. We format the shape, go to shadows, give it some right, give it some left, and also its inner shadows. Okay, its inner shadows, and then we copy our text. This text just overdrive sunset text as a and has nothing difficult. We just color it 2 times. Let's change the background color to this color. I love it kinda and don't know why, but let's do this. Okay, then copy that, and we just need to cut that. Copy the text we have and paste it here. Then get these things out by a little. And just simply do what? Set the transition to morph. But you need to, okay, it's good. Set the transition to morph. And you see your slide is ready. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. I will answer you. Have a nice night.